maganda dito para sa Beerman, kahit natatluhan, itong si Tyler Wilkerson, they're able to hold the fort. Meron pa rin silang kalamangan na 6 dito, this Beerman. So, hoping to do that hanggang dito sa second quarter. Siguro, mga middle or mga, let's say, dying minutes ng second quarter, baka pwede nang maipasok itong si Tyler Wilkerson. The thing is, Onuaku also has 2 fouls.
Para sa tagisan ng tunay na lakas, Cobra. Gusto ko pa. Junmar Pardo, ibabalik agad ni Coach Leo.
The Beermen want to spread. They're not happy with the 6-point lead. Go ahead.
Hindi kasi, itong score na to, pwede mong sabing pabor sa Meralco. Meralco is deep. They don't score too much. Nasa baba sila pagdating sa points per game ng lahat ng team sa ating Commissioner's Cup. Pero number 1 sila pagdating sa depensa.
Depensa, yun ang malupit. Alam naman ang sinasabi ng mga coaches. Generally talaga, the points will come. Lots of guys want to score talaga. Pero yung defense talaga, yan ang talagang kailangan dyan effort talaga. Todo, 100%, walang off day sa depensa. At hindi mo makikita ang ng isang coach normal stuff at sila coach normal stuff.
May nalugnatan, ipinagpaglang si Gabby Espina sa pagkakataon na yan. So, huling 6 na tira ni Ray nalugnatan sa PBA. Pasok lahat. Nung nakaraan, 5-4-5 siya in the second half. Ngayon, 1-4-1 na siya.
See, that's what we were talking about. The points will come. They have to make stops. They put the premium on making stops talaga. This Meralco ball team, that's why they're very successful. At eto na. Hindi na pinaabot ng kalahati na sinasabi natin second quarter. Isusugal na ng coach Leo Austria. Feeling ko, they really want to bury Meralco as early as now.
As we take another look at the defense of the Meralco Bolts collapsing on Junmar Pardo. 2 beses siya nahuli doon. Susubok ulit. Ito si Junmar. Lutz on the attack. Down to good of the defense. Wilkerson will board it. Tyler Buebuelo. Off the glass. Diluwa lang.
Galing, gets an offensive rebound. Yung iba doon, siguro pump fake, pipilitin na lang iangat ng malakas. Pero this guy, may spin move niya pa. Hindi lang pumasok.
Magandang timing niya, yung internal clock niya. Alam niya, tumama sa ring yan, may 3 seconds ulit ako para makakuha ng tira. Hindi nagpapanik sa loob, Jolly?
Talagang lang, may yung magaling yung court sense. Tama ka, nagbibilang siya, tumama sa ring yung tira. And yun nga, talagang very light on his feet. Nakapag-spin move pa. At 2 free throw, pinasok ni Wilkerson.
First 2 points of the game yan para kay Tyler after sitting out a majority of that first quarter because of those 3 personal fouls. Bugnatan, mapupulot ba niya yung ika-4 ni Tyler? Pupunta muna siya kay Baser. David trying to break free of Aranya. Nakita mo naman si Ryan, nakadikit dito kay Gary na parang linta. Bugnatan mula sa labas. Mintis yan. Kabagnot para sa rebound.
But there are a whole bunch of scorers para dito sa ball. So, Baser Ramirez there.
Nice
makakatakbo sila.
Nice tap by Baser. And he feeds El Granada. And nakita mo, yun ang point guard. Kahit na rookie pa yan, he knows he needs to get his scorer going, Jolly.
Tama ka. Hahanapin ko ang Kuya Gary ko. I will get him involved in offense para andyan na yung kumpiyansa niya.
Pagka ba yung edad nito ni Baser Ramirez at ni Gary David, kuya pa rin, baka tito na. Ikaw pala yun. Ikaw yung tito nila. Sorry.
Pwede naman.
Mamaya, sakali na naman tayo nito ni Gary.
Naintindihan na ni Kuya yan. Ganyan talaga. And tama yung sinabi naman natin, di ba? Talagang sa talino, sa basketball IQ ng isang Baser Amer, i-involve ko yung scorer ko, di ba? Na Gary David. Ito na naman silang dalawa.
Baser to David. Gary to the cup. Ganda pa nung look away niya para mag-commit ng bahagya yung depensa doon kay Amer.
Kuya Gary, pwede niyang i-shovel pass papunta kay Baser yan. Pero sabi niya, let me get my 4 points muna para talagang kalmadong na ako sa laro na to.
At baba na sa 2 ang abante ng SMB. Aranya gustong dagdagan. 3-pointer is good. Mario Bryant. Hatid-hatid niya ng Oppo F1 Selfie Expert.
Thing about this Beerman, you don't know where these points are coming from. Kung saan nanggagaling ang kanilang mga bomba.
Dillinger, dumaan sa pick neto ni Onuaku. Drops it off to his big man. Gary is open. Bam!
7 straight points for Mr. Gary David.
Atid pa rin sa atin ang Oppo F1 Selfie Expert. At yun ang nagagawa ng 2 layup.
Yes, sir. Confidence is there. Yun ang ginawa na pinangunahan. Bigyan natin ng credit si Baser Amer.
Fajardo off one hand. Inabot ng foul.
possession ball game lamang tayo dito. Magu. Pero ang napupunan ko, the shots that Junmar Fajardo usually make, hindi niya masyadong naipapasok. Ngayon, maganda ang resistance siya sa ilalim para sa Meralco Bolts.
As we take a look at this cool play na hatid sa atin ng Hitachi 3 World Class Innovations, one name in air conditioning, Hitachi.
And that's only the first point for Junmar Fajardo in this ball game. At yun ang na-mention natin, because there is nice resistance dyan sa may shaded area for the balls.
Onwaku goes cross-court, a little too strong, pero naabot pa rin naman ni Dillinger. Hugnatan to JD, thinking three, driving closer, Dillinger to the cup.
6'4", or 6'4", 6'5", you can handle the ball very well. Jared Dillinger ends up with a nice finger roll layup using his strong hand.
Lutz on the attack, bounces to Aranya. Hindi makuha ni Ryan yung kanyang pangalawa. Onwaku at Amer nag-agawan pa sa rebound. Sabi ni Arinze, huy, stats ko yan.
Okay, sir. Sabi ni...
Doon ka na sa assist, akin ang rebound. Ikaw naman. Hugnatan. Working against Wilkerson. They want to force him to sit out even more. Wilkerson holding his own.
I really get the feeling that Onwaku is trying to pace himself. He knows it's very early in the ball game. Alam mo, he's not 100% in game shape.
As Junmar forces his way through.
That time, not a lot of resistance sa ilalim dahil naiwan itong si Onwaku because he paces himself a little too much sometimes.
Amer pupunta kay Hugnatan. They want to keep attacking Wilkerson at this point in the game. Onwaku do sa loob, gets the hook.
Old school big man move that time from Arinze Onwaku. Bangga dun sa isang bangga pa atras dito kay Junmar, and the control. Left-handed jump hook, napakaganda.
Kalagnot on the attack, will pull up, took the contact, gets the basket. Ayun pang kaibang foul.
Upper body strength coming from Kabagi that time. Alex Cabagnot, na-clip na siya. Here comes the jumper. He's gonna get clipped ng konti, and the control to finish that basket.
Kalagnot misses on that bonus though. Pero he still gives SMB a 3-point lead, 29-26. Wala na pong 7 minuto natitira sa ating first half. Ancho Karam, now part of the five. Best player of the game to nung huling panalo netong Meralco. Onwaku gets it batted back to him by Fajardo. Dillinger, left open. Goes to the fadeaway. Para sa Meralco, huli si Onwaku with that push from behind. That's going to be his second personal foul. And dahil penalty na, etong Meralco Bolts, 2 shots parating para kay Junmar Fajardo.
Yan ang hindi pwedeng matatluhan, or we know how important itong si Arinze Onwaku is to the Meralco Bolts, Magu.
Manood, maglaro at manalo. 5 panalo time na. Tumutok lang sa TV5 para makaipon ng 5 panalo points para makapag-uwi ng iba't ibang items. Dahil sa pagtutok sa 5, siguradong panalo. 5 na naman ang abante rito ng San Miguel Beermen. 31 to 26. Dillinger to Hugnatan. They want to keep going to that attack on Tyler. Hugnatan, wala. Onwaku is there to clean it up.
He's just automatic with that left hand. He knows how to position himself dyan sa may ilalim. Onwaku, another basket coming from Onwaku. 11 points in total for Arinze Onwaku.
Look at that shoulder fake, the shimmy shake from Wilkerson. Junmar, ayaw pa rin. Karam will snatch away that rebound. Gary on the run, goes to the sidestep. David Gino Lingslam.
Alex, nakita mo ito. Kaya binigay doon. Kung masyado ka nakadikit, ikaw nag-i-screen sa kakampi mo. Kaya nakakakuha dito. Pagka sinuwa ko na dito, step ka dito.
Patuloy ang ating PBA Sabado mula dito sa Legazpi City. At pang-apat na personal foul ang natunghayan nating ipito dito kay Tyler Wilkerson.
Ayan ang problema para dito sa Beermen at yung 8-point lead na pinakamalaking naitayo nila, Magu, naglaho na. And in this possession, after that foul, para sa Bots, they can take the lead.
And more
Wow.
importantly, may na-technical pa dito sa Meralco. So pagkakataon ni Arwin na madagdagan muna ang kanilang kalamangan, Reyna Lugnatan ang pinituhan. Santos bounces out the technical free throw as Tyler Wilkerson will be forced to throw back to that bench. Ayaw pang umupo na ito ni Tyler. And si Tyler dumire-diretso muna dun sa dugout. Wilkerson went all the way backstage. Baka nag-may I go out lang naman. O baka alam niyang
Baka may ipapagawa dun sa kanyang taped ankles yan, maybe.
may 5:42 pa tayo natitira
Oo.
bago sila dapat bumalik talaga doon sa dugout. Sinundan kagad ng staff ng SMB yung kanilang import. Siguro alam na rin niya, hindi na siya ibabalik ngayon first half.
Wala na, hindi natin makikita sa first half yan. Definitely.
David misses. Kabagnot boards it. Pagkakataon ng SMB, patuloy pang pangalagaan ang kanilang kalamangan. Fajardo doon sa poste. He's got Onwaku on and dalawa na foul ni Arinze. June Mar goes up. Sino ba? Si Dillinger ba? O si Arinze Onwaku yan? Dillinger ang napituhan.
Mabuti na
So
lang.
kung binabanggit mo nga Jolly kanina na etong si June Marfardo, hindi pa kinakailangan yung mga monster numbers niya na katulad ng ginagawa niya ng Philippine Cup. Nag-40-22, 30-20, ordinaryong araw para sa kanya. Hindi pa nila kinakailangan through their first 3 games. Pero baka ngayon, dahil nga playing all Filipino sila dahil para sa foul trouble na import, baka kailangan magtrabaho o kumayod marino na si June Mar. Patuloy ang ating pagtutok sa ating 2016 Oppo PBA Commissioner's Cup. At ito yung pinagkikwentuhan natin, Jolly. June Mar Fajardo already coming off a conference high 20-point performance. Pero kung pagka sinabi mo June Mar Fajardo, 20 points lang, yung ginawa niya na nakaraan, lalong-lalo na yung rebounds, mababa. Pero ngayon, baka kailangan talagang
tama ka dyan. Well, the thing is kaya parang feeling mo medyo anemic yung 20 points at saka yung ilang rebounds. It's because there's a Tyler Wilkerson nga who give you 30 or 40. Kaya nakakatuwa nga na he still gets his touches. They're able to work together. Kaya na mga dalawang panalo na sila tsaka 2 back-to-back wins na itong Beermen.
So June Mar Fajardo completes that technical free throw. As we take a look at our shout count as of this moment, Kabagnot ang nangunguna sa laban ng mga point guards kontra kay Alabag. The player with the most shouts by the end of the game will be the Shouter's Choice Player of the Game, to be announced on sports5.ph after the game.
Nice incursion galing dito kay Arinze. AO. Onwaku, sakto pasa sa kanya, able to finish with his right hand as well. June Mar Fajardo matatawagan ng foul dyan. Sorry, Lassiter ang matatawagan ng foul. Ooh, that stroke from the free throw area is kind of funky.
Pero problema talaga ni Onwaku yan kahit scouting report sa kanya. Bago pa siya makarating sa PBA as David gets a steal. Lassiter right in front of him. Bakbakan ang dalawang dating Powerade Tigers yan. Karam couldn't catch it cleanly. Lassiter pushing hard. Hinabol. Oh! Cliff Hodge with a chase down.
And these are the impact plays that you talk about pagkatulad sa mga tao na ganyan. Clifford Hodge, not scoring a lot of points, pero yung mga plays na ganyan, biglang yung buong bench mo, gaganahan sa mga plays na ganyan, Magu.
So the Meralco Bolts get that stop, pero nasa San Miguel pa rin naman ang bola, looking to reclaim the lead. Si Merad, pinasok na ni Coach Leo as Lassiter goes off one leg.
Okay lang, I don't care. Naspalpal ako. Go up for another basket. One leg up pa. Itong si Marshall Lassiter.
Newsom tinitignan si Ugnata, naatake sa baseline. Newsom jumps a pass to the wrong man. Semerad pushes to Ross. Nakita si Santos on the run. Arwin was clipped from underneath and that last foul will be investigated. Na-undercut ba si Spider-Man?
Mabuti na lang si Spider-Man siya, so I don't think grabe yung kanyang tama. He really went up for that layup.
2 free throws plus possession dahil gusto mo nga iwasan ng mga player yan.
Tama ka dyan. Pero well, the athletic player that Arwin is, di ba? Talagang uunahan na kita ng talon, thinking na pag nakita ni Clifford Hodge, hindi nasasabay dahil dangerous foul. Clifford Hodge still opting to go medyo underneath Arwin, kaya this is gonna be free throws para dito kay Arwin Santos plus ball possession for the Spearmen.
So San Miguel will retain ball possession. Napansin lang natin, might be worth noting, Tyler Wilkerson is back on that SMB bench. Nagpalit lang yata ng sapatos.
Kausap natin ng Spearmen boys at alam mo ng mga players, marami mga superstitions yan eh.
Apat na mga naman kagad pa. Meron nga namang maling nangyayari.
Palit ng sapatos or some undergarment. Para feeling niya baka makapag-regroup siya in that way. Alam mo yung LeBron James, sikip na sikip siya dun sa pinunit niya. Ang galing ng nilaro niya. Pahiyang ng mga players minsan yun.
Meron tuloy akong gustong tanong sa'yo, kaso bawal yata eh. Nasa TV5 tayo eh.
Yan lang.
Pagka minsan nag-signal tayo, tatanong ko sa iyo. Kapag nag-radyo.
So talaga.
Hindi pwede dito eh.
Hindi, napakadaming superstitions. Ito lang si George Gallant, meron siyang dinaanan na way going to the venue. Nanalo sila, he'll pass that same way.
Kanya-kanyang pahiyang lang naman talaga eh, no? As the Spearmen are back up by 4. Meralco is on the attack. Pupunta sila kay Newsom dun sa kanto. Newsom attacking Lassiter, goes cross-court. Karam with the mid-range jumper. No good. Naku, si Semerad at Lassiter di nagkaamuyan doon sa rebound. Mananatili ang possession sa Meralco.
Eh, kung mapupuna mo, magula tayo nakikita masyadong mga fast break and mas marami pang fast break points itong Spearmen. It's mostly half-court sets kasi grabe rin naman ang mga threats dyan sa may low post ng bawat koponan. Talking about Junmar and Arinze Onwa.
Dillinger overcooks the three-pointer. Junmar had to work extra to save that ball. So etong San Miguel weathering the foul trouble storm by their import. Junmar misses.
Those are shots that Junmar usually makes. That is still 8-footers.
Paundo, who got things going para sa Meralco by scoring the first 2 baskets and picking up 2 of the 3 early fouls ni Wilkerson, is back on the floor.
They're rewarding him some playing time. Itong si Brian Paundo dahil nasa sinabi mong yon. Parang hindi talaga si Tyler Wilkerson dito sa first half. After talking about him, he scored 50, nandiyan na siya sa usapan ng best import of Commissioner's Cup. Suddenly, ang puntos lang ni Tyler Wilkerson, 2 puntos lang.
Na-warningan si team manager Gia Badilla ng San Miguel Spearmen because of complaining, as on Waku, matalas pa on the hook. Nanggigigil yung San Miguel Spearmen sa rebound na yun. Ross on the move. Gustong postehan. Ito si Karam. Lassiter on the attack. Trying to wrap it over to Fajardo. Hindi nga lang sila. Nagka-connect doon.
So wild yung possession ng Spearmen that time.
As we remind everybody and invite everybody na manood, maglaro at manalo. 5 panalo time na. Tumutok lang sa TV5 para makaipon ng 5 panalo points para makapag-quick ng iba't ibang items. Dahil sa pagtutok sa 5, sigurado panalo. Anjo Karam with a hit. Take a look at the turnover stories. San Miguel with 9, Meralco with 6. Make that 10 for SMB as Newsome will get that basket. Mika Salamang foul.
Sinabayan niya ng kapwa scorer niya na si Marshall Lassiter that time. Pero medyo naisa niya yung veteranong Marshall Lassiter. Bit of a side step. Nice finish coming from Chris Newsome.
So nakalamang ulit ang Meralco after that bonus free throw, 37-36. Napakahaba ng kinayod nila para masungkit itong kalamangan na to, Jolly. Santos over at the other end. Gustong bawiin ang abante. Lutz mula sa kanan, 7 to shoot. Lutz puts it up. It's that basket with a bonus free throw coming up.
I like it when Chris Lutz gets some baskets. Magu parang these days, pati nung nakaraang conference, parang he's been flying under the radar, di ba? Dati mas grabe, mas deadly. You put him and Marshall Lassiter in the same breath. Pareho sila, kaliwa, kanan, kahit saan pwede ka pumunta. Medyo nilamangan na siya ni Marshall Lassiter ngayon. So, nice to see Lutz get some baskets at maibalik yung kanyang kumpiyansa.
Averaging only 1.3 points and 2 assists per game this tournament, he completes that three-point play. Mahigit doble kagad siya sa kanyang quota. As he shoves SMB ahead 39-37. Ryan Buenafe pinasok dito ni Coach Norman kasama si Newsome, Paundo, Onwaku, and Karam. Katapat nila. Etong sina Lutz, De Ocampo, Lassiter, Santos, and Ross. Santos mula dun sa kaliwang baseline na atakin si Paundo, tutulong si Karam. Ross puts up a long one. Oh, good. Onwaku para sa board. Newsome trying to push it, pero ang bilis ng transition defense ng San Miguel Beermen. Onwaku sa loob, nabibi yung tira. Kanya rin yung board. Naipit siya ni Arvin Santos.
So big, so strong. Gets an offensive rebound pa. Magulas. Hirap sila sa kanya. Diyan sa may ilalim. He sees walang Junmar Fajardo. Pipilitin ko mamiesta dito sa may ilalim. I'm gonna get 2 free throws, sabi ni Onwaku. He has to try to make his free throws.
The foul was whistled on Yancy De Ocampo, pero si Arvin had the ball dun sa baba. So nakaltag ni Yancy dun sa kabila. Onwaku, who has been trying his darndest to improve on his free throws. Kita mo, sama talaga ng bitaw.
Okay. Pagkaganyan, you relegate about sa ensayo 10-15 minutes. Tira lang siya ng tira. Makuha niya yung kanyang flow dyan sa may free throw area. Splits his charities.
Unless mag-improve siya, pwede ka mag-hack arinse, no?
Oo.
Pagka binigay mo ang bola na naka-deep position na, mahirapan ka. Pero pag free throwin mo, isa sa dalawa, tatanggapin mo na. Bakit ang ganda ng ngiti mo tuwing namamasyal si Direk dito sa ating crowd?
I love my job.
Yan! Lakas mo kay Direk Ravi, ha? Napasyal, pinangingiti ka. Newsome on the attack, facing off kontra dito kay Lassiter. Newsome spinning baseline, kicks it over. Karam dun sa kanto, it is Buenafe who buries the long one.
Kaya naman hinugot din ni Coach Norman Blacknian is to really provide for points. Talking about Ryan Buenafe, gives him a nice three-pointer.
Old reliable na ni Coach Norman yan from their Ateneo days together. Kaya saan ka pa magtitiwala kung hindi doon sa nakasama mo na. Santos gustong bumawi, di makuha. Ball batted over to AO5. Newsome in the front court, bouncing it over to Karam. Nandito na naman sa kanan si Buenafe. Same spot, same result!
You know the funny thing is, Anjo Karam was looking at you, at us. Wala namang nakaputing shirt dito, but the skip pass to the corner. Another three-pointer from Buenafe.
Big run to try and close out the second quarter para sa Meralco. Lamang na sila ng 5. Ross to Lassiter, babawi ba? Nakuha na!
Relax na sila dun sa mga spots nila. Spot up lang sila. They'll just go to their spots. Walang mga pilit na movements. Nag-dead yan. Marshall
Hoy!
Kapag notes, 2 bids, di ba?
And Coach Norman will not be happy about this one. Gumamit pa siya ng 30-second timeout. Yung pala, ipamimigay lang nila ang bola. 7.3 natitira sa ating first half. Can SMB capitalize? Napuwersa si Lutz into his own version of a 30-seconder. Dito nga po tayo sa Albay. sa paanan ng Bulkan kung saan si Wilkerson ibinalik. Inabot ng foul! 3-point attempt yun, Jolly, which means 3 free throws para dito kay Wilkerson and ball possession will remain with the San Miguel Beermen.
Nakakainis, parang game changer na ito para dito sa Meralco Bulls. Ang masakit nun, natatluhan pa. Ito si Onwako won't be able to play defense ng maayos, pero tinamo yung numbers ng Tyler Wilkerson. Hindi ako sanay makita yung 2 puntos.
Kakaprasong minuto pa lang naman kasi nalalaro. Kada pasok niya, foul kagad ang pinamimigay niya. Yun eh. If you pick up your first foul early and then meron pang nabakat na second foul, siguro naman ikaw na yung kailangan mag-adjust din sa rep. Dahil pagka hindi mo binago, hindi naman magbabago sa pagpito yung rep, di ba? Sinabi na nga mahigpit ang tawagan niya eh, di ba? Kailangan i-adjust mo na. Kaya na-disgrasya siya.
Isa lang ang ibig sabihin nun. You're a little too aggressive lang dun sa ginagawa mo.
Wilkerson looking to end this first half with a bang. Diubra, pero San Miguel battling Meralco to a draw and they played almost the entirety of that first half all Filipino.
Well, I really think it was like a chess game. Parang itong ating first half, nagpapakiramdaman ang mga bawat kupunan. Pero ito, yung turn of events na to, nag-foul trouble yung mga vital cogs ng bawat kupunan, yung mga import, Onwako, at saka si Tyler Wilkerson, tagtatatlong foul. Interesting ang mangyayari dito sa second half.